Jimmy, taser. Taser, taser!
An officer's New Year's Eve Lunchable has been interrupted by 22-year-old Ron Caffey. According to the report, Ron walked up to the window of an empty patrol car and attempts to have a conversation. Feeling ignored and unsatisfied with the lack of response, Ron aggressively pulls on the locked door handle. Unable to gain entry to the police car, he starts pounding the window with his fists. As officers arrive, Ron starts swinging. It took several years for the 5 felonies to get whittled down to a single misdemeanor charge of resisting officer without violence, which would also be dismissed. Thanks for watching.
Yo, what are you doing?
Are you serious, dude?
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Fucking ground.
Put your hands behind your back!
Hands behind your back.
Jimmy, taser. Taser, taser, taser!
Get on the ground! Give me a couple. You got him? Yeah, we're good. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
I got legs, I got legs!
Relax. Give me your hand.
He tried to get into Jimmy's car. I thought he was talking to Jimmy at first.
Give me your hand.
Want another round?
Probably did.
Work it out, work it out.
Hey, if we,
Supervisor, a signal for you for Church in Orange.
hey, if we roll you over to your side, are you gonna buck up? Yes. Then you're gonna say. You said yes. Hey, can we see you up? Get cleaned up too. I know. Can we see you up?
Just have a seat. You got blood on you?
Yeah. Okay.
No, I mean Jimmy, I'm sorry.
Hey, we're just gonna roll you to your side, okay?
Can you at least?
If you roll on my side, if I clutch up, can you not fucking tase me? Alright, then sit on your butt. Sit on your butt. Can you get up, dude? Yes. My legs hurt.
Fine and Orange. Can you get empty, please? They're in between Fine and Church.
Does anyone have
Yeah, OFD 51 from Church in Orange.
Here, I'm going to take this off.
What's the medical complaint? He got tased and he's bleeding from the face.
Please don't hurt me, man. Okay, we're not trying to hurt you. Just really hurting, bro. I'm fucking. The fire department will want it, and obviously we need it.
Hold traffic for 43 activation.
Seabass, did you get his ID? Yeah, I gave it up. Oh, okay. John's already got it. You gotta meet himself. You know what day it is?
What's up, boss?
Ooh. Yes, man. Alright, listen, I slipped into. I went into a very, very, very bad fucking.
What happened?
Listen, I'm an aviation. We have something.
You're what, sir?
I'm an aviation in the United States Navy.
Okay. What happened tonight is what I'm asking.
I'm so sorry, man. I'm trying.
What happened?
I don't know, man. I'm so fucked up, man. Listen. What happened is my mind is so fucked up that I don't know what's happening.
All right. Did you know this was a police car?
Yeah.
What were you trying to do to the police car? Were you trying to get in the police car?
Nothing.
Why did you try to fight the police officers? Did you not know they were police officers?
All I know is I'm scared.
Did you not recognize them as police officers?
Yes.
You did recognize them as police officers?
No, I didn't.
You didn't? Aren't they dressed in police uniforms? Or are they not? Are they in plain clothes or police uniforms?
Listen, so what happened was, I looked at him and I was like, what is going on? I'm scared. I'm very scared. I'm a Republican. I voted for Donald Trump. I would want Donald Trump.
What is that, sir? Let's focus on the task at hand. That has nothing to do with what happened here today. These officers were in uniform. Were they not, or were they in plain clothes? Could you tell me how they were dressed?
No, they were in plain fucking uniform.
Plain uniforms, okay. Which said what? Do you know what it said on the uniforms?
Yes, but because my fucking my arrogance.
Okay, all right. So you just chose to ignore that they were the police?
Yes.
Okay.
And that's unfortunate because
Okay.
they're such brave.
Other than your head, are you injured in any other way?
No.
Okay. All right, sir. Thank you for your cooperation.